Hey there, my fellow Scorpios! Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys having a fantastic and fabulous day today. Thank you for supporting to my channel, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. Thanks as well for joining me here. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So here we go. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spirits of all animals, show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. What is going on with Scorpio? Who is coming towards Scorpio? What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Please keep in mind that this is not a personal reading. And I would like to advise you as well to use your own discernment. It's because I do believe that we are all intuitive in our own ways. And aside from that, I also believe that we are all individually responsible for our own choices and our own destiny, right? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Who is coming towards Scorpio? What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? What does Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies? Is there any love interest for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Give me that accurate and clear reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Show me the cards what I need to see, please. What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Please keep in mind that this is not a personal reading. If this is not your energy, just leave it. Take only what fits in your story and don't manifest the rest, okay? Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. So, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings for today, guys. I am now live in one of the farm in Western Europe. The weather is, for me, is good because it's not hot, it's not cold, it's moderate. And I love it. Let me see your card readings for today. First, we have the Nine of Pentacles. We also have the Lovers. Sorry, the Emperor. And the Seven of Wands. The Queen of Swords. The Queen of Pentacles. The Page of Swords. The Eight of Swords. Oh, too many swords. What's wrong? The Justice. The Death, which is your major arcana, number 13. The Two of Wands. The Hermit. The Four of Wands. And we have a bonus cards, the Knight of Cups. So, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings for today, guys. I would like to remind you again that this is not a personal reading. If this is not your energy, just leave it. Take only what fits in your story and don't manifest the rest, okay? The first foundation of your reading is the Nine of Pentacles. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Virgo, or you have a Virgo in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is your energy. You are very self-confident. You are also independent. And you have financial success and stability. It's because of your hard work. This is a self-made success. It could also be related to your legacy. Others of you, you are enjoying your freedom. And you are feeling good in your own skin. You don't need other people to validate you. You don't need other people to be in your creativity, because you realize that you can be successfully independent person without the help of others. And this is your energy. You are embodied the energy of the Nine of Pentacles. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of a Virgo. This person could be in your family, could also be in your friend circle, in your workplace, could also be your ex, or in the community. I don't know who is this person in your life. I feel like this person viewed you as an independent, confident person, and you have success and hard work. It's because, sorry guys, you have success and stability. It's because of your hard work, and could also be legacy. Maybe this person needs your financial support. I don't know who is this person. Or it could also be that this person wants to nurture the relationship between you and them. Take only what fits in your story. Okay? Others of you, you are manifesting this to be a successful person, to be independent and successful person. It doesn't matter if you are male or female. This is your current energy. The Nine of Pentacles. Or it could also be that you are dealing with a Virgo or a group of people. Take only what fits in your story. And we have here the Emperor. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aries, or you have an Aries in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like majority of you, my beautiful souls, is Scorpio. This is your energy. You embody the energy of an emperor. You are the control of your own life. You have structure and you are very strong. You are building a solid and stable foundation in your life. This is your dreams. And you have also control with your own life. And you are very territorial. You have a self-discipline because you believe that you need to follow the rules in order for you to make this solid foundation or this stability a reality, a real one. You need to be strong. And others of you guys, it could also be that people viewed you as very defensive. You are territorial. It's because you have no time for the BS. You have no time for people who are gossipers, manipulators, gaslighters. You are standing in your ground and you are busy in building your empire. It could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of an Aries. This is a matured father figure. This is the counterpart of an Empress. It doesn't matter if you are male or female, because in tarot there is no gender. And this person might be wants to control you. This person maybe wants to support or uplift you and also wants to control you. This is a father figure, matured person. I don't know who is this person in your life. you are the counterpart of an empress or an emperor, because this is your energy. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay? And this is the obstacles and influences in this reading. And let me see the base of this situation energy. The Seven of Wands. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Leo, or you have a Leo in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is your energy. You are very territorial. You're standing on your ground no matter what will happen. You don't want to fight. You only protecting your territory. I feel like in the past there are lots of people who wants to cross or tried to cross the borders of your limitation. For some of them guys, they already crossed in the past. And you don't want the history to repeat itself. That's why you are protecting your territory. Others of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of a Leo. And this person crossed your borders of limitations in the past. Could also be a group of people involved Leo. Maybe this person or group of people are spreading lies and gossips about you, slandering your name, and you only want to defend yourself. You don't want to fight. You are protecting your territory. Others of you guys, it could also be that this person viewed you as a resilient person because you are resilient and you rise above the tribulations. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay? Could be that you are dealing with a Leo, or you have a Leo in your birth chart. Not necessary. And we have here the Queen of Swords. This is the energy in the near future, around 3 to 6 weeks. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aquarius, or you have an Aquarius in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is your energy. You are standing in your higher self. You knew the truth and you are not scared to tell the truth. You are not scared as well to cut off the ties of the people who are not true to you behind your back. Those people who are backstabbing you, the manipulators, the gaslighters, those people who wants to control you, who betrayed you, and who wants to sabotage the connection. This group of people or person who are playing mind games on you because you are tired and sick. That's why this is your energy. For some of these people, you already cut off the ties and give this group of people a silent treatment. Others of you, it could also be that you cut off this group of people and you also block this group of people in your social media and in your mobiles. Could be that this person is the one, or this person is involved of the group of people in the past who are slandering your name, trying to destroy you, manipulating you, backstabbing you. Could be an Aquarius, could also be a group of people. Take only what fits in your story. For most of you, you are very strong and you have structure and you are the control of your own life. No one can manipulate you because you have undergone too many burdens and pain in your mind and in your heart. And I fully understand you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, if this is your energy. And you are also very territorial. You are protecting your territory. Yeah. Because you have learned your lessons in the past. The painful lessons where people cause you to be like this. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here your energy and the distant future around 12 months. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Virgo, or you have a Virgo in your birth chart. Double confirmation, because your first card is the Nine of Pentacles, and the Nine of Pentacles is also embodied the energy of a Virgo. Maybe you are dealing with Virgo in your life. I don't know. It could also be other sign. Could also be a group of people. I feel like this is your energy. You are connected to Mother Earth. You are very nurturing and loving person. You have peace and tranquility in your surroundings. You have success financially. And it could also be that you are surrounded with the nature, and this is the kind of life you want. You are always connecting to the Mother Earth, and for some of you, you are a social butterfly. It's because maybe you are a successful businesswoman or businessman. It doesn't matter, because in tarot there is no gender. Could also be that you are a CEO or an independent contractor, self-employment. You have your own business, and because of your hard work, self-made hard work, you become this Queen of Pentacles. You have success and stability in your life. It could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of a Virgo, and this person needs your financial support, because this person viewed you as a successful person, having an abundance and stability. And this person viewed you as well, that you are very nurturing and loving person, because this person knows you. And that's why this person maybe wants to ask you to support them financially. This person could be in your family, could also be in your friend circle, could also be that this person is in your workplace, could also be that your ex or in the community. And this person viewed you as a successful, hardworking person. And yet you still very loving and nurturing person. You never change. Others of you, this is your energy. You are manifesting this. That's why you are working hard in order to be in this stage of financial success and stability, to be the energy of the Queen of Pentacles. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we will see the past experiences and influence in this reading is the Page of Swords. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Gemini, or you have a Gemini in your birth chart. In your last reading, this was also come out, the Page of Swords. I feel like this is your energy. You are very defensive. It's because you don't want to prolong into mental agility. Maybe you are defending yourself because there are lots of people who are trying to put you in a conflict. Those people who wants to sabotage and manipulate you. And you are very defensive. It could also be that this person viewed you as a person who is very defensive. Could be a Gemini. Could also be an air sign. Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. And I feel like this person is spying on you far from a distance. You look. This person is gathering some information about you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This is your stalker. This person tried to find ways and strategizing how to communicate or how to approach you. That's why this person is spying on you far from a distance. Could be in your social media. Could also be through your different accounts, your platform. For instance, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, or any other kind of platform in social media. And this person is gathering some informations about you, because this person wants to communicate with you. Yeah, this is the energy of a Gemini. Gemini is the house of communication. Or you have a Gemini in your birth chart for some of you. This person could be your ex or a new person. I don't know who is this person in your life. This is the past experiences and influence in this reading. Take only what fits in your story. The universe advises you to be strategic here, to be analytical, skeptical, and logical. It's because if you don't think first before you act, it might lead you in trouble or in a conflict. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And let me see your energy in your environment, either at home or in your workplace, is the Eight of Swords. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Gemini again, or a group of people, or you have a Gemini in your birth chart. Not necessary. I feel like this is your energy. Maybe there are people in your surroundings, or maybe in your family or in the workplace. There are people who tried to blindfold you. Yeah. And that's why you are feeling confused. It could also be that this is your energy. Maybe this group of people tried to victimize you. This is like they involved you in a psycho war, maybe a bullying in the workplace or friend circle or in the family. I don't know. And that's why this is your energy. You are feeling victimized. Maybe in your workplace, you didn't see the improvement of your work, because there are lots of people who doesn't want you to see your value. And that's why they are trying to manipulate you, to blindfold you. Others of you guys, it could also be that these are the group of people in the past or in your surroundings at present. This group of people tried to blindfold you. This group of people doesn't want you to see the truth because they are intimidated with your energy. Majority of these people are jealous and envy on you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. They want to trap you. They want to isolate you because they hate that you are speaking the truth. You are the Queen of Swords energy. They hate it and they couldn't stand your energy, that you are speaking the truth. You are standing in your higher self because you knew the truth. And they are also scared because you are very strong. And that's why this person or group of people tried to blindfold you. It could also be that these are the energy. This group of people now are feeling trapped, feeling victimized. It's because I feel like in the past, they did everything to destroy you. They are slandering your name, backstabbing you, spreading lies and rumors about you. It's because of jealousy and envy. Majority of these people are jealous with your confidence, with your aura. Of course, they are jealous because you look, you embody the energy of the Nine of Pentacles. Yeah. You are independent and confident, and you have also a financial success and abundance. It's because of your hard work. And you are enjoying your freedom. And that's the reason why this group of people are jealous on you and they want to blindfold you. They tried to isolate you that you cannot see the truth. If this is your energy, the universe advises you to clear up your mindset. It's because this is only a temporary scenario in your life and it won't last longer. You need to use your intuition. The truth is, this group of people couldn't blindfold you. This is only in your mindset. You are strong. You look. These are the group of people, could be in the past or at present, who wants or who tried to blindfold you, but they couldn't do it. If these are the past people, this is their energy now. They are feeling stuck. For some of them, they are facing in the spiritual court and or in spiritual jail. It's because the truth is they want to blindfold you, but they failed because you are the Queen of Swords. This is your past energy for some of you guys. Others of you, maybe you are still experiencing this in your workplace. That there are lots of people who tried to blindfold you, that you cannot see your worth because you are very strong and they couldn't control you. You are the Queen of Swords. Yeah. Plus, you have a financial success and stability. You are the Nine of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles. You are the Queen or the King of Pentacles. And you are also building a solid foundation in your life. You are the Emperor. Majority of you, these are not your energy. These are the group of people who tried to blindfold you, to isolate you, to take your power. It's because you are very strong. You are the Emperor. Yeah, look. And now, they are trapped, whether on lies, whether on deceit, whether on manipulation. It's because in the past, I feel like they tried to isolate you to be like this. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay? Now, this group of people are, for some of them, they are facing the spiritual jail or in the spiritual court. It could also be that this group of people now are like they are in prison, mentally and spiritually. Mentally, spiritually, and emotionally. Whatever they did to you, they plan you to be like this, but I feel like it is backfires to them. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Justice. This is your energy and the immediate future. You look, the Justice and the Eight of Swords. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Libra, or you have a Libra in your birth chart. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is the cause and effect. You look. This is your previous card, the Eight of Swords. And the next card is the Libra. This is like what goes around comes around. Because the Justice is just like a law of karma, cause and effect. What goes around comes around. And you look, these are the group of people in the past who tried to isolate you, to blindfold you, who are manipulating you in the past because they doesn't want you to move on. They doesn't want you to be a successful person. It's because of envy and jealousy. It's because they are envy and triggered with your aura of your energy. Your spirits irritates their demons, and whatever they did to you, you receive the good karma, and they are receiving a bad karma. Because this is the next card, the Justice. What goes around comes around. Now they are taste their own medicine. It's because of what they have done to you in the past. The Justice takes over. It could also be that in the past, this group of people did injustice on you. Could be this group of people is in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be your ex, in your friend circle, or in the community. And the Justice takes over. They are now in the isolation. They are feeling stuck. They are feeling blindfolded. It's because the justice takes over. The universe give you the clarity, the truth, and the honesty. The fair judgment. You look, you are not blindfolded. You knew the truth. You are a strong person. You are standing in your higher self. You knew the truth and you are not afraid to speak the truth. You are also the emperor. You are very strong. And plus, you are the Queen of Pentacles. And the Nine of Pentacles as well. You have a financial success and stability. And you are still building your legacy. A solid foundation in your life. What goes around comes around. Justice is being served on you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This is your energy in the immediate future. Believe me, your justice is here. For some of you, maybe there are lots of people who are trying to steal from you. Maybe you have a problems about inheritance. Could also be divorce or any other kind of problems which is related to the lawsuits. Rest assured that the justice is in your favor. Because the universe takes over here to give you the justice for the people who did injustice on you. I don't know what is your problem. It could also be that there are people, could be in your family, who are stealing your inheritance. Yeah. That's why they want to blindfold you. Because they did something wrong on you. They mess you up. They want you to be blindfolded in the past. But the universe takes over. Your justice is here, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. It could also be that there are lots of people in your life who are now awakened. They have seen the truth. You are awakened. What are the intentions of these people on you? And the other people who mess you up, they are also awakened. But they don't want to accept their accountabilities because these people are the hateful people. These people are the envious, the Eight of Swords. Yeah. The envious and haters. They are lack of conscience. And that's why they tried to blindfold you. They want to isolate you. If this is related in your inheritance or financial matters, could also be related to divorce or any other kind of problems in the lawsuits. The justice here is in your favor. And some of these people wants to ask forgiveness for what they have done to you. And they wants to return and to reconcile with you. And it's up to you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. It's because at the end of the day, you are responsible of your own choices and your own destiny. It's up to you if you will accept this group of people who did too much pain and burdens in your heart in the past. For me, maybe I can forgive them, but I won't accept them back in my life because it's enough. Yeah. I never say that you will do as well what I am telling you. I mean, you are responsible of your own choices and your own destiny, right? Somebody here wants to return to ask forgiveness on you. Take only what fits in your story. And we have here the Death. This is your hopes and fears. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a fellow Scorpio. And you already close this cycle. Whatever the cycle is, it could be related to a relationship or legal matters. You give death because you sheds your skin. This is a painful but beautiful endings. You look at the face of this woman. That's why a painful and beautiful endings. This is the metamorphosis of your life. Of course, it is painful because you leave behind the people in the past who are no longer serve you in your life, especially those people who are betraying you, the people with whom you trusted that they are in your side, but the truth, they are not. They are spreading lies and gossips on you. They tried to destroy you despite of your compassion, generosity, and kindness to them. For some of these people, guys, you love them deeply. Maybe this group of people could be also in your family, could also be in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. That's why there is a painful but beautiful endings here. You look at this picture. Yeah. It is just like when somebody who are dear to us and passed away. Of course, we mourn because of the loss of this person. And this is your feelings as well. And I fully understand you because I'm also a Scorpio. There is an unexpected ending here. An upheaval, a loss, and a separation. I don't know what is your story. You managed to leave behind the people who are no longer serve you. The people who causes too much pain and burdens in your heart and in your mind. You look, the 8 of Swords. You have gone through in your life. You transform into a higher level. This is an spiritual transformation. And you give that to the old situation. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay? And let me see your final outcome in this reading is the 2 of Wands. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aries, or you have an Aries in your birth chart. Double confirmation. The Emperor is also embodied the energy of an Aries. I feel like this is you. You are making a choice. And you are now ready to go. You are, of course, it's not easy to go because for some of these people are the people who are dear to you. You are making a choice. Should I go or should I stay? Others of you, you are hatching ideas. And you are considered all the ideas here. Considering all the ideas and opportunities and possibilities. Because you realize that you need to put your own life in your own hands. The world in your own hands. It could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of an Aries. Maybe in the past, this person never chose you. This person never reciprocated you. And now this person is now making a choice. Should I go or should I stay? Maybe this person choose other person. Maybe this person is now planning to approach you because this person realized that the grass aren't greener on the other side. The truth is the grass are more greener in your pasture. And that's why this person need or plan to approach you, making a choice. Could be an Aries, could also be other sign. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, okay? And clarify me, please. This outside influence here is the 4 of Wands. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with, again, an Aries. Or you have an Aries in your birth chart. 3 times confirmation. The 2 of Wands, the Emperor, and the 4 of Wands. I feel like this is your energy. You want to have a stability in your life because you are tired of all the chaos and turbulence you have experienced. You want to have a peaceful surroundings with your family, a solid foundation. Maybe for some of you, you want to settle down to get married. It could also be that this person who embodied the energy of an Aries wants to commit on you. And this is to propose you a marriage proposal, to have a family with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Because this person viewed you as a marriage material. I feel like there is a celebration here. Could be a celebration of the milestone of your success. Includes teamwork and collaboration. And you are going to celebrate with your family and the community. For some of you. Others of you, it could also be that there is a reunion here. And there is a celebration. Could also be that there is an engagement, a wedding, an anniversary, a baby shower, a birthday party. Or it could also be a family reunion. I don't know what is your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, but there is a celebration here. Could also be a wedding celebration. Maybe you're going to get married. I don't know what is your story. If you are single, maybe you are going to get married. If you are married, maybe you have a reunion with your family. Or this group of people wants to reunite with you, to ask forgiveness. You look, the justice, to reconcile with you, to return. And there is a celebration here. I don't know what is your story. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And let me see. To clarify the outcome of this reading is the Hermit. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Virgo, or you have a Virgo in your birth chart. 3 times confirmation. The Hermit, the Nine of Pentacles, and the Queen of Pentacles is embodied the energy of a Virgo. Or you have a Virgo in your birth chart. This person could be in your family, could also be your ex, could also be your ex-friend, could also be in your workplace, but also ex, because I feel like this is the past. And it could also be in your community. I feel like you give this person a silent treatment. You choose to be in a solitude mood. And you prioritize your inner peace and your healing. It could also be that this person is now doing a shadow work. It's because this person is investigating about your life. Could be a Virgo. Could also be a group of people or other sign. But the Hermit is embodied the energy of Virgo. Because you managed to climb up at the top of the mountain. And you have seen the truth. You have self-searching. You have introspection and self-evaluation. And you choose to be alone. Because you want to be in a solitude mood. You don't want to get distracted. Especially with the noise of the world. And that you give this person a silent treatment. You have nothing to do with this person. You don't want to attach with this person. Maybe this person is one of those group of people, the 8 of Swords, who tried to destroy you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This group of people who are slandering your name, backstabbing you. This group of people who are manipulating you, who wants to control your life, who put you in too much pain and burdens in your mind and in your heart, who tried to blindfold you, who betrayed you. I don't know who is this person. This is the clarification of the outcome of this reading. Could be this person is a Virgo. And this person is now investigating why Scorpio is cutting me off in his or her life. Why person give me a silent, why Scorpio give me a silent treatment? Because I feel like this person knew, they are aware what they have done to you. But there are people in our lives that they are taking us for granted because they knew that we are very generous, we are very compassionate, and we are very kind. And that's why they think that they can in and out of our lives. They can come back, they can go, and that's why this person is investigating why you detach, why you give them a silent treatment. Maybe they are also doing a shadow work. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And your bonus card is the Knight of Cups. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a water sign, or you are attracting with a water sign like you. Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Somebody here wants to inspire you, to offer you a romantic gesture. This person could be strongly attracted with you. This person having a strong feelings towards a new, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could be a fellow Scorpio, because this is the Knight of Cups. Could also be a water sign. Maybe you are attracting this person. Maybe you are going to meet this person during springtime, because this is Cups. This person wants to know you better, to date you, to inspire and to celebrate with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This is your bonus cards. This is could be a water sign like you. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, why the Eight of Swords in this reading? Tell me more about the Eight of Swords here. Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Why the Eight of Swords in this reading? For the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. The Eight of Swords is clarified as hoping, expecting, faith, and manifesting. This group of people who causes too much burdens and pain in your heart and in your mind in the past are now manifesting you back in their lives. They are hoping that you will be vulnerable once again to them. I don't know if you can do it, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. After all the pain and burdens they have created in your mind and in your heart, and they are manifesting you back in your life. Yeah, they are hoping that you give them another chance, that you will be vulnerable once again to them. And clarify me, please, why the Page of Swords here? Tell me more about the Page of Swords in this reading. The Page of Swords is clarified as stress, turbulence, tension, arguments. For some of you guys, it could also be that this person is spying on you through your social media, and they have seen that you have success and you have also received your justice, and now this person is, you look, stressed. They have too much tensions. Maybe they are arguing with other people who are conniving them in the past. Yeah, that's why they are stalking on your social media, because for some of them guys, they want to communicate with you. They find ways on how to communicate with you. Yeah, could be a Gemini, could also be a group of people or other sign, and these are their feelings now. They are stressed because you receive your justice, you are building your legacy, your strong foundation in your life, plus you are very strong. They cannot control you anymore, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You look, you are the Queen of Swords and the Emperor, and that's why they feel like horror, terrible. They have so many tensions, they have stress, because they couldn't believe that after all what they have done to you, they tried to blindfold you, they tried to destroy you, to end you up, and you managed to bounce back. You are very strong. You have a financial success and abundance, and you are creating a solid foundation, a legacy of your own. And now they are feeling stress. because you have a justice. What goes around comes around. Take only what fits in your story and clarify me, please, why the justice here in this reading. Tell me more about the justice here, please. The justice is clarified as resistance. Could also be that this person is your secret admirer. Yeah. Could be a Libra. You have a secret admirer who is a Libra, and this person is shy, timid. Yeah. Sorry guys. The death. This is the clarification of the Libra. Maybe you have a secret admirer, and this person believe that maybe you are going to reject them. Yeah. Because this person is a shy person, could be a Libra. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, why the 10 of Pentacles here? Why the 10 of Pentacles here, please? Tell me more about the 10 of Pentacles here. The 10 of Pentacles is clarified as curse, hex, witchcraft. For some of you guys, it could also be that this person who embodied the energy of Virgo did black magic on you. This is the Queen of Pentacles. Maybe this person in the past is one of this person who tried to destroy you. The 8 of Swords. Yeah. And now, you look, the 8 of Swords. And now, the curse was broken because the justice takes over. They curse you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You look, could be a Virgo. They engage you in a voodoo, in a witchcraft. They curse you because they hate you, because of jealousy and envy. They doesn't want you to be or to have a financial success and stability. They doesn't want you to be a successful person. They doesn't want you to be a strong person. They hate you because of your legacy, your aura. They are triggered with your energy. This person could be a Virgo, but the curse was broken. The curse ended up because the universe takes over and give you the justice. What goes around comes around. Whatever they did to you backfires. And that ends your readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if it is resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like, comment, and share. I love you all. Until the next time. Bye.